What's up guys, I hope you're all doing fine. I told you in the last video we were going to do the blinking roller, but unfortunately I have a problem with the engine. I'm going to change the piston. I'm going to make a video on that also, but now for the moment I'm going to change the front fender and put new plastics on it. I'm also going to show you how I mounted these. I already filmed it before, so they're already on it, as you can see. So yeah, enjoy the content. So this is a very basic kit. You put this in the side of your handlebar, then you have some rubbers to mount it on your handlebar. The other way around, and yeah, pretty easy, very nice. But yeah, you will see on the bike. As you previously saw, the stickers are on the back, and now we're going to replace this one, which is pretty motocross-ish. I want something a little bit more fresh and new, so I'm gonna put on the new one. So, this is not what I had in mind. To be honest, the old one looks way better. I might switch back to the old one real quick. So yeah, see you guys.